So today's story is about the King Beenieman again and his significant other Krystal. So I found this post over Pinkwall, big up Pinkwall, you see what I say? And the sender send in, and they say nobody can tell me nothing. Beenieman did not write that caption. Big up good girl Krystal, Beanie really level up, right? 2 thumbs up. So them a support. Them say Team Beanie, them say Team Krystal. We get that, right? But the post that they were talking about, I say Krystal write it, the post says, there are 2 hardest tests to pass in life. Patience to wait for the right moment and the courage to accept whatever you encounter. Right? Sound pretty decent and pretty upscale to me. Also, somebody said to me that when Beenieman and Krystal went on the interview, she not give him a chance to talk. So more like them I say, yo, Krystal want to take over everything and that. So maybe at that point they might try for me no know. It's also said in the past that Beenieman is not a social media person. Here say Beenieman not even on a phone sometime, right? Foothype said that, by the way. Foothype said that on him like say more while Beenieman never have a phone, right? And me witness Beenieman go up on live one time and he never know what I go and he don't know if he use it. It was him first time and this is not so long ago, right? So all of a sudden, in Instagram pick up activity and thing, and people are say, oh, well, I'm a Beenieman, I do it. All right. So, I want to forget Funo opinion. If nothing wrong with that, or if it turns out that his Krystal is really writing on his social media, if anything wrong with it. So, I want to get Funo opinion on it. Right? Now, I had to reach out and get some opinion over the phone. So, I got caller number 1 and caller number 2, and them I got telling you what them think about this matter. Meanwhile, on a listen and then on a comment and tell me. All right? Here goes.
Yo, Bridget, listen what I said to you. Low Beenieman, where if Beenieman woman want write underneath him caption then. Understand? Uno just low that. Here. Because I know for uno have girl we can't even read or write. Tell you the truth. All them do are dress up in our heels and get big body and get big breasts and I eat that for them, you know, brother. But don't punish man say it's man, woman, a write up thing. So what? At least the man get a woman we can read. Alright? Oh Lord, the man brethren. I'm not think about something different for come with. Yeah man, Beenieman, make your woman write up anything she want to write and then take caption. If you take a picture she want to write underneath it, whatever, act like a you, make sure do that. On a one, brother. You understand? Yeah, your woman a one. So if she write, or really you write. It's what I say. Just some thoughts. Just some thoughts.
Okay, so now hear what caller number 1 I say. Low Beenieman and Krystal make them do them thing. If she want write on them post or she want post or do what she want do, them are 1. So low them make them do them thing. Alright? So now we are going to hear what caller number 2 have to say because it's a different opinion, you know. That's why I choose them 2 people here because they have 2 different views. Alright? So listen to caller number 2.
Well, Dancehall IG, I think, in my personal opinion, right? If it's she doing it, I don't feel like it's right for she to do that. That's doing too much. Because we all know, say, Bounty Killer and Beenieman and Buju Banton is not a social media kind of person. We the fans, we know that. So I don't think she come and write on him social media, a big up herself, making it look like a she, a big, him a big, are up and sit down and read the comments. I couldn't do it and feel so good in myself, you know, because she need to accept that her man is not the social media type of person. She not live for social media. They might live their own life, so be good with that. Right on fair platform and do what she want to do on fair platform. Make your man big you up by himself out there. Something more than wrong with that in my opinion. Still, something more than wrong with that. That is just doing too much. Bigging up yourself on behalf of a man. No. See Bounty Killer come all the way from what? Look on Bounty big up a woman where they all have her own. Krystal no need to make it look like I said Beanie a bigger up here and a bigger up there and a write it herself. If she do it, we already know a secret Beenieman lover. We already know that, so she not have to put this out for the world to see. We know that. Low Beanie page and the fear page. Everybody in a relationship or marriage or whatever, everybody have a personal space. And me, when she do all of that, me thinks that she, in my opinion, me thinks that she do too much. Yeah, come on, you're doing too much. Make the man do what he want to do. Make the man big you up. Because Beenieman is a type of man we just come and make one little video and big you up if he want. Beenieman and a man for go right now, right up. Because when people see you doing it out there, we the fans know that it's not Beanie's you. You look, I don't know, it just don't look right. In my opinion, though, you know, me now go take my man social media, put up some things and big up myself and put up and glorify myself and then sit down and read it and I read all of the big up. Me just couldn't feel right doing it.
Okay, so you hear what both callers are say. Now I would like to know what's your opinion on this matter. So please get in the comment box and tell us how you feel about this matter. And if you haven't liked and follow this page, please like and follow the page. Thank you.